Hi everyone, welcome to our video on how we can use Chat GPT to make money. Chat GPT is a large language model trained by OpenAI that can generate human-like responses to text-based prompts. In this video, we'll explore some of the ways we can use Chat GPT to make money. Content creation. Chat GPT can be used to create unique and engaging content for websites, blogs, and social media platforms. You can provide Chat GPT with a topic or prompt, and it will generate high-quality content that you can use to attract and engage your audience. Writing assistance. Chat GPT can assist writers with writer's block or help them overcome difficult writing challenges. You can provide Chat GPT with a writing prompt, and it will generate ideas, suggest sentence structures, and provide inspiration for your writing. Customer support. Chat GPT can be used to provide customer support on websites and social media platforms. It can answer frequently asked questions, provide information about products and services, and assist customers with their inquiries. Chatbots. Chat GPT can be used to create chatbots that can assist customers in real time. You can provide Chat GPT with a set of responses to common questions, and it will generate a chatbot that can answer these questions automatically, freeing up time for customer service representatives to handle more complex inquiries. Marketing and advertising. Chat GPT can be used to generate creative ideas for marketing and advertising campaigns. You can provide Chat GPT with a description of your product or service, and it will generate ideas for slogans, ad copy, and social media posts. Translation services. Chat GPT can be used to translate text from one language to another. You can provide Chat GPT with a piece of text in one language, and it will generate a translated version in another language. Data analysis. Chat GPT can be used to analyze data and provide insights into trends and patterns. You can provide Chat GPT with a dataset, and it will generate a report that summarizes the data and provides recommendations for further analysis. Personalized products. Chat GPT can be used to create personalized products, such as personalized books, greeting cards, and even clothing. You can provide Chat GPT with information about the person you want to create the product for, and it will generate a unique and personalized product based on the information provided. Online tutoring. Chat GPT can be used to provide online tutoring services. You can provide Chat GPT with a set of questions or problems, and it will generate responses that can help students learn and understand the material. Virtual assistants. Chat GPT can be used to create virtual assistants that can help with scheduling, reminders, and other tasks. You can provide Chat GPT with a set of responses to common requests, and it will generate a virtual assistant that can respond to these requests automatically. In summary, there are many ways we can use Chat GPT to make money, from content creation and customer support to translation services and virtual assistants. Chat GPT offers endless possibilities for businesses and individuals looking to automate tasks and streamline their operations. Thank you for watching this video on how we can use Chat GPT to make money.